Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take the screenshot on the Microsoft Surface Pro X. And to do this we'll need to open Start. There's two ways we can do the screenshot. First one is by opening the Snipping Tool. It's this tool right here. We can click on New and now make a screenshot of entire screen. We can make the square screenshot of a selected space on the screen, or also draw the screenshot itself. So that's quite simple. And another way to do it is to open a keyboard. You can also use the same method on any external keyboards. So hold Shift, Windows and S, and you'll also enter this screenshot mode, and now you can use the drawing method or basically whatever means you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.